Diet Essentials: What to Eat for a Healthier You. Healthy eating, the diet or dietary approaches to stop hypertension, focuses on heart health. It emphasizes the consumption of nutrient-rich foods while reducing sodium intake, fostering a balanced way to support overall well-being. Here are the essentials. Fruits and vegetables: aim for 4 to 5 servings of each daily. Include a variety of colors to get a range of nutrients and phytochemicals such as vitamin C-rich citrus fruits and leafy greens. These are packed with nutrients and help lower blood pressure. Including sources of potassium like bananas and sweet potatoes can be particularly beneficial for heart health. Whole grains: choose whole grain bread, brown rice, and quinoa. These grains provide essential minerals like magnesium and selenium, helping maintain healthy blood vessels. Aim for 6 to 8 servings a day to boost fiber intake, which helps to regulate cholesterol levels and digestive health. Lean proteins: incorporate fish, poultry, beans, and nuts. Fish like salmon and trout also provide omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for reducing inflammation. Limit red meat and opt for low-fat dairy. Compare product labels to choose options with reduced fat while maintaining nutrient quality. Following these guidelines can lead to a healthier lifestyle. By making these dietary changes, you contribute not only to lowering blood pressure but also to improved energy levels and overall mental well-being. Want to learn more? Visit our website